Take a look at this live trade that I'm in right now on the Nasdaq, and my goal every single day is to try to make 200 ticks in profit daily. So let's get into today's live trading recap. Folks, my name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. Boy, do I love starting out the week strong. Let's do a quick time and temperature check. Today is Tuesday, May 28th. We're coming up on about 10 a.m. in the morning. This was a nice couple of retracement trades that we were able to jump on today in the morning session. And let me get you dialed into today's scoreboard. Take a look at my live P&L, folks. Can you see this? I'm knocking on the door of almost $1,500 in profit, and it's not even 10 o'clock in the morning yet, right? So don't you dare tell me that you cannot find good setups in the morning. Like, don't even think about it. All right. Anyway, let me go ahead and fit this to scale here. Let me get you dialed into all of the live trades from this morning's session. And, listen, we actually did have a lot of really nice setups like over the previous 45 minutes, as you can see here. But if you remember, guys, I did a video last week. Matter of fact, I think I did several videos where I talk about only starting your trading after 9 a.m. and that's Central Standard Time. So that would be 10 a.m. if you are on Eastern Time, or that would be 7 a.m. if you're in Pacific Time, or just do the math wherever you're at. And the reason that I only start trading after 9 a.m. in the morning is simply because I cannot stand the early morning whiplash when the stock market opens, right? As many of you guys can attest to, there's just too much up, down, like directionless chop that shows up in that first 30-minute period. And listen, man, I'm going with my own results, all right? I can only tell you what's been working for me. I am finding magnificent success with starting to look for setups after 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. All right, so what you're seeing on the screen right now, guys, is today's live chart of the Nasdaq. I've got a live order still pending right here. I put my profit target at 940 because I feel the market's been kind of grinding higher. Matter of fact, there might even be a chance of us hitting 950. All right, so I'm just going to move my target up a little bit just because I'm a greedy savage. And please excuse me or indulge me if I start shouting and screaming like a madman. I do have to manage this trade. But take a look at the live ticks that I'm up right now. Can you see this? I'm up over 130 plus ticks on the second half of my position. All right. I mean, I've told you guys repeatedly that the second half of the trade is where you make money. Okay. The first half of your position, which is, as you can see here, LTP number 1. This is where I took profits on the first trade of the day. And then you can also see, folks, that I got stopped out on that second half of the trade. But, yep, you guessed it, we got another retracement. And that's the reason why you see 2 entries on my charts today, because I had to go long 2 times and sometimes even 3 times, right? Like, you just never know, guys and gals, when you are going to get that pullback. And you also don't know the outcome of that pullback, right? You've just got to train your brain, in my humble opinion, to take every single retracement, because I have shown you time and time again that trading retracements against this gorgeous volume indicator color band, folks, this is the winning ticket, man. I am convinced of that. All right. And to be honest with you, man, like, the proof is in the pudding, right? Like, take a look again at my live P&L. I'm up almost $1,500 in spite of being stopped out on the first trade. So I'm here to not only tell you, but prove to you that it can be very profitable to keep looking for setups, because you just never know when the market is going to start grinding higher. Sometimes on the Nasdaq, it'll give you a straight shot up, right? We've all been there. We take this retracement trade and kaboom, the thing rips hard for 50 bars straight up, right? That'll make anybody happy. But what about days like today, where the market kind of is grinding around this morning and you have no idea if this second target is going to get hit, right? Like, how do you handle this? What's your frame of mind? And how do you react when the market might not do what you want it to do, right? Nobody knows, folks. All I can tell you is the secret sauce to finding success in trading, and I'm talking about massive success, is number 1, guys, You got to master your craft. You got to put the work in, the time in. And for a lot of you beginners out there, you got to learn from your mistakes. But I'm here to tell you that, look, man, there's a light at the end of the tunnel, because trading is like anything else in life, man. This is a craft that you have to master. And once you do, I think it becomes easy. All right. And takeaway number 2, folks, volume does not lie. All right. Don't you ever, ever, ever trade against the color change. All right. When it's red, you look to go short. And when it turns green, as it did right over here, all right, we look to go long via these beautiful textbook retracements. This is a trading system that me and my customers are using almost on a daily basis to dominate the market, bagging hundreds and hundreds of ticks on these beautiful pullbacks. And guys, all I can say to you is, what other system do you know of where you can be done with your trading by 10 o'clock in the morning? Like literally here I am knocking on the door of 10 a.m. All right, I just crossed over 1600 now. Take a look at my live P&L here, or knocking on the door of 1600. So just in the time that I've been recording this video, I've made an extra $100. All right, I'm hoping that my profit target up here gets hit, but I don't know for sure. Right? I got to see how this thing plays out. I mean, I might drop it down a little bit. I might even increase it, right? But at the end of the day, folks, volume is king. Congrats to all of you guys and gals who had a powerful start to your Tuesday. And I can't wait to come back and hit it hard again tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.